Hello, digital photography students, and welcome to week 7, which has been brought to you by the letter C for cookie and the number 23 for Michael Jordan because of the Last Dance documentary that's been on ESPN. That's been really, really, really good. All right, here is what I need you guys to do this week. Digital Photography 1, you guys are taking pictures of leading lines and framing. Make sure that you look at the handout and the PowerPoint for student examples and other examples. You can turn in photos of either one or two photos of the same type of situation. The main thing is that you are learning new composition techniques. Make sure that the photos you turn in are final edited as well. Photo 2, you guys are continuing on your research/chosen project. So if you want to continue to take pictures of what you did last week to turn in, you can do that, or you can move on to a different subject. I will once again attach the Photo 3 PowerPoint to give you some ideas of things that you can take pictures of. Photo 3, it is time for you guys to turn in your finalized photos. Whatever photos that you have for right now, these will be your final photos that you've been working towards. Final taken, final edited. So make sure you get your photos turned in for this week. Okay? All right. Those are the photos that you guys are working on. Now, the week after this will be the final week. I'm going to go ahead and attach your final assignments in the classroom as well, so that way you can start working towards those. Okay? Photo 1, you are doing a photo journal. It consists of 11 slides. One title slide with your name, and then you need to have 5 slides with an image from online that you've looked up, that you've critiqued. Doesn't matter what kind of photography, just something that interests you. Then you need to have 5 more slides with your personal photos on there that you've critiqued. Remember that when you are critiquing these photos, you need to use the language and terminology that you've learned this semester. So contrast, saturation, frozen motion, depth of field, things like that. Okay? Make sure that you're talking positively about the photo, why it's good, using that terminology. Okay? And then I will have that on Classroom for you. Photo 2, you were doing a reflection paper. 2 pages, 12 font, double spaced. Start off by overviewing the semester. How did it go for you? Did it go well? Did it not go so well? Why? After that, talk about whether you're going to be a professional photographer or if photography is just a side thing or a hobby for you. Are you moving into Photo 3 or are we done after this? These are decisions that you need to make. Okay? And then think about anything else you might have learned from this class that might be applied to real life, like using time wisely. It just doesn't apply to taking photos and getting them turned in, but applies to everything in life and making sure that you're doing stuff and getting things turned in on time and using your time wisely. Okay? So think about that. Photo 3, you're kind of doing the same thing, only your reflection paper should be more in depth. Did you accomplish everything you wanted to this semester in Photo 3 or this year in Photo 3? Are we moving forward next year? How is your portfolio looking? Okay. And if you didn't accomplish everything this year, what do you want to accomplish next year? Or if you did accomplish everything this year, what are you moving towards next year if you're going to come back and be a Photo 3/4 student? Okay. Those will be your final projects that will be due on week 8. So I'm letting you guys have the opportunity to work on them now, and I will put the assignments on there this week so you can turn them in early if you need to get done with other classes. Okay? Okay. Now, this week's question. What do you miss about childhood or about being a kid? For me, it is the freedom, the lack of responsibility. As a kid, I didn't have to worry about changing the oil in the mower or mowing the grass or making sure the bills were paid or things like that. I had free time to just go run and play. And I swear, as a kid, time moves a lot slower. Like you just have more time to do stuff. But as an adult, I feel like it flies by way too fast. So maybe the amount of time that I had as a kid, I miss that. So I miss you guys. I hope you guys are all doing well. And looking forward to when we can be in classes together. All right? All right. Oh, and if you're a senior, I will be at the Topeka High senior drive-through that they will be doing for graduation. So you can yell out the window at me. You're like, hey, Davis. All right? All right. So have a wonderful week 7. Remember, C is for cookie. All right? So, bye, guys.